we've been going for about 15 minutes now. Getting some water temperature starting to rise. We're getting a reading on oil temperature. We got some good oil pressure. Still nothing there. Don't know what's going on. Tag axle, air suspension, all up good. Probably 100 gallons of fuel in there. Did notice that my hour meter is still working. I was reading 17 a little while ago. Oop, there it goes. So let's turn the engine off. Yeah, that didn't do very much. It's always exciting when your Detroit diesel two-stroke is not shutting itself off. To overcome that problem on this particular rig, I installed some lawnmower parts back here. And she's done. Let's put that back into place so when we try to start it again next time, we don't have a problem. This little monster down here is a Noco Boost 4250 amp jumper that I used to use to start the bus. Today is the first time this bus has started on its engine starting batteries because they're brand new. Yep. I'm gonna have the engine checked out by a mechanic, have oil filters, belts, hoses, the hose that connects the cooling system to the engine air compressor is notoriously a failure point on these Bluebirds. Everything's about 7 years old. It's been a long time since it's been 7 or 8 years since anybody's done anything in here. That thing is still off. The Blue Sea automatic charging relay. Still no idea how that gets over there. I'll probably just disconnect the negatives for now. Like I said, when I had the solar system on, I walked up to this bus today, it was putting 14 volts into those 6-volt batteries. You can see that that is not only off, but not even connected to the battery system anymore. We'll get all of these linked back up again. I think I can set how much charge it puts out. I want to keep it down to 13. I don't think putting 14 volts into a battery is a very good idea all day long. Oh, at least on the sunny days. So, yep. Axles are up. Engine's off. Hit the master disconnect. Okay, here we go. Put it to bed.